Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel skins in Fortnite. Marvel skins are incredibly popular, letting you play as your favorite heroes and villains. These special outfits are often available for a limited time, making them quite exclusive. We'll cover the main ways you can add these fantastic cosmetics to your locker, so you can jump into battle as an Avenger or a formidable foe. One of the most common ways to acquire Marvel skins is through the in-game item shop. Epic Games regularly rotates these skins, offering them for direct purchase with V-Bucks. You might find individual skins or larger bundles that include matching accessories like back blings, harvesting tools, and gliders. Keep an eye on the shop, as these items can appear at any time, often for a limited window. Another significant source for Marvel skins has been the Battle Pass. During specific seasons, purchasing and progressing through the Battle Pass allowed players to unlock several Marvel outfits and related items. Additionally, Fortnite occasionally hosts special in-game events or limited-time challenges. Successfully completing these objectives can sometimes reward you with unique Marvel-themed cosmetics, so always check the event tab. Beyond the item shop and battle passes, Epic Games sometimes releases special collaboration packs. These premium bundles, often purchased with real money, can include exclusive Marvel skins that aren't available elsewhere, along with a bonus of V-Bucks. To ensure you don't miss out on any new Marvel content, always follow official Fortnite news channels and social media. New collaborations are always on the horizon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.